So in this video, we're going to have a look at our chiller maintenance on our JWEI JCut. So it's important that we ensure that we have water and coolant in the chiller at all times. This is going to be cooling your router, and obviously if it's not cooling it properly, we can have problems. So this is the later variant of the chillers on the JWEI JCut. There are a few different types that come with them. Now this one here does have a level on the back as well, and we can see it's right down there. Now the other type of chiller has a much bigger opening on top, so you can actually see the level of water in the chiller, so it's a lot easier to identify on those ones, hence this one has the level on the back. So we need to obviously put water in this one. So the water that we put in there is deionized water only, but on this one I'm actually just going to top it up with some coolant because we can see our lines are quite clear on this one, and we need to ensure that we have coolant. Now the coolant is in there to stop bacteria growth, which obviously again is important. We don't want anything to be in the lines of the machine. So I'm just going to use this antifreeze. So it's just a concentrated blue. I'm going to try and carefully pour that into there. Just going to stop a second, just check my level now. So you can see now that I am halfway up on the back, so I think I'll put the rest of this in. The chiller's actually kicked in as well to move that around the machine. There we go, that's all in. Just need to put my cap back on again. I'm going to clean up that little bit of coolant that's on the top. So now my level is right up here, so well into the normal, not into the full, so I'm happy with that. And we can also see that I now have my blue antifreeze in my lines. Now, a good thing to do as we're doing this as well is just to check for any leaks. So have a look at the back of the system, make sure it's all dry down there on all these push fit fittings. Also, the same goes with the front here. So making sure that all of these are nice and dry, and these just slot into place. So that's our chiller maintenance on our JWEI JCut cutter.